Hey there! You are watching the Success Wave. This video is about the blockchain in the future. If you don't want to miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Cryptocurrencies of all types make use of distributed ledger technology known as the blockchain. Blockchains act as decentralized systems for recording and documenting transactions that take place involving a particular digital currency. Put simply, blockchain is a transaction ledger that maintains identical copies across each member computer within a network. Put simply, blockchain is a transaction ledger that maintains identical copies across each member computer within a network. The fact that the ledger is distributed across each part of the network helps to facilitate the security of the blockchain. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies grew intensely popular among the general financial and investment worlds in late 2017 and early 2018. They have since become more of a niche area for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. However, blockchain technology remains a quickly growing area of growth for companies across a host of industries. It is possible that blockchain technology will ultimately be seen as the most important innovation to come out of the cryptocurrency boom. We'll take a closer look at the blockchain and see why this technology could be valuable to businesses of all kinds. The blockchain parties may be able to view previous ledger entries and record new entries, although most blockchain networks have complex rules for the addition of new groups of records, blocks, to the chain of previous records. The blocks and the contents within them are protected by powerful cryptography, which ensures that previous transactions within the network cannot be either forged or destroyed. In this way, blockchain technology allows a digital currency to maintain a trusted transaction network without relying on a central authority. It is for this reason that digital currencies are thought of as decentralized. While blockchain is most famous for its role in facilitating the rise of digital currencies over the past several years, there are also much rather different non-cryptocurrency uses for this technology. Indeed, some blockchain proponents believe that the technology could far outpace cryptocurrencies themselves in terms of its overall impact, and that the real potential of blockchain is only just now being discovered. As such, it's likely that financial advisors and many others in the investing world will encounter blockchain technology much more in the years to come, whether it is linked with a specific cryptocurrency or if it's being utilized in any number of other applications. The transfer of value has been both expensive and slow, and especially for payments taking place across international borders. One reason for this is that when multiple currencies are involved, the transfer process typically requires the participation of multiple banks in multiple locations before the intended recipient can actually collect his or her money. There are existing services to help facilitate this process in a faster way, but these tend to be quite expensive. Blockchain technology has the potential to provide a much faster and cheaper alternative to traditional cross-border payment methods. Indeed, while typical money remittance costs might be as high as 20% of the transfer amount, blockchain may allow for costs just a fraction of that, as well as guaranteed and real-time transaction processing speeds. There are hurdles to be passed, including the regulation of cryptocurrencies in different parts of the world and security concerns. Nonetheless, this is one of the most promising and talked about areas of blockchain technology application. Smart contracts are often seen as highly powerful application of blockchain technology. These contracts are actually computer programs that can oversee all aspects of an agreement from facilitation to execution. For proponents of smart contracts, these tools provide a more secure and more automated alternative to traditional contract law, as well as an application that is faster and cheaper than traditional methods. The potential applications of smart contract technology are essentially limitless and could extend to almost any field of business in which contract law would normally apply. Of course, while being touted, smart contracts are not a magical substitute for old-fashioned diligence. In fact, the case of the decentralized autonomous organization is a cautionary tale and a warning to investors to not assume that smart contracts are any better than the information and organization that a user puts into them. Nonetheless, smart contracts remain one of the most exciting ways that blockchain technology has already extended beyond the cryptocurrency space and into the broader business world. One of the most problematic results of the internet age has been identity security. As diligent as many individuals and organizations are in maintaining their online identities and securing private information, there are always nefarious actors looking to steal and profit off of these digital items. Blockchain technology has already demonstrated potential for transforming the way that online identity management takes place. While looking to the far future of blockchain is extremely exciting, new innovations are constantly entering the market, promising bigger and bolder uses of the technology. As active blockchain networks continue to bring real transformative change to a number of industries, the IBM blockchain team predicted the following 5 trends in the near future. 1. In 2020, we'll start to see new governance models that enable large and diverse consortia to approach decision-making, permission schemes, and even payments more efficiently. These models will help to standardize information from different sources and capture new and more robust data sets. 68% of CTOs and CIOs even expect to see a scalable governance model for interactions across multiple blockchain networks to be an important feature of their organization's blockchain environment in the next 1 to 3 years. Number 2, though reaching interconnectivity at the maximized level might be years away, and the definition of interoperability can take many forms, we find that 83% of our organizations today believe assurance of governance and standards that allow interconnectivity and interoperability among permission and permissionless blockchain networks to be an important factor to join an industry-wide blockchain network, with more than 1/5 believing it to be essential. Number 3. Combining adjacent technologies with blockchain will help us to do things that haven't been done before. More trustworthy data from the blockchain will better inform and strengthen underlying algorithms. Blockchain will help keep that data secure and audit each and every step in the decision-making process, enabling sharper insights driven by data that network participants trust. 4. With a need for heightened data protection mechanisms, this year blockchain solutions will use validation tools along with crypto anchors, IoT, beacons, and oracles, mechanisms that link digital assets to the physical world by injecting outside data into networks. This will improve trust and remove the dependency on human data entry, which is often prone to error and fraud. 5. With countries in Asia, the Middle East, and Caribbean beginning to experiment with CBDCs in real time, there is no doubt that they will continue to gain momentum in the new year and redefine payments in several ways. For one, CBDs will see continued expansion in wholesale CDBCs with some initial forays in retail. Moreover, we find there will be increased interest in the tokenization and digitization of other types of assets and securities such as central bond debentures for treasury bonds. For many businesses across various industries, the key to success is a well-functioning, efficient supply chain. Blockchain technology has already been used in multiple industries as a means of keeping tabs on supply chains and ensuring their efficiency. This could eliminate human work and the potential for error from a complex and crucial process. Blockchain is a technology with an exceptionally broad set of potential uses. Although blockchain is most famous for its connection to the blossoming cryptocurrency world, several other applications have already been explored. Perhaps even more exciting, though, is that new ways of utilizing blockchain emerge every day. As such, whether you are directly involved in the digital currency space or not, it's essential to develop an understanding of blockchain and how it may be used to transform the business and investment worlds. That's it for this video. See you all in the next video.